Hi guys, welcome back to Zara's channel. Today we are making a Lego clock. So we have some Lego in these boxes. The clock base, the clock hands. And we need a battery too. And also put a trace in the middle so Dad can drill it. Let's get started. I put a hole in the Lego board here. So now I'm going to do the numbers. 12, 9, and 6, and 3 are going to be blue. The remaining ones are going to be in this color. Be easy because 6 flipped over is 9. Doesn't matter. So I have done the numbers, and now it's time to put the needles on. Put the clock base at the bottom. Then you put it on the table. I have glued the little board at the back, and now I'm gonna put the hands on. So first the hour hand. Then the minute hand. And then if you have the seconds hand. Ooh, this is a little hard. And the clock is done. Bye guys, see you in the next video. Time's out.